Pasko na, before you start selling your fragrances, candles, what have you, try out this tool. I'm Bernadette, the fragrance specialist, and today I'll be sharing you this tool that I use to do my costing and make sure that I am making enough profits for my product. So this right here is the fragrance calculator by BC Fragrance. I designed it because of frustration. I used to do my costings using Excel sheets, pero sa cellphone, sobrang liit ng font, so nahirapan ako. So nagpagawa ako ng app. And I want you guys to use the same thing because I've already plugged in preloaded formulations. I've also put in there some costs that you might not have thought of na kailangan i-consider when you are doing your costing for your product. So here's a sample of doing a computation for an eau de parfum. You can plug in the bottle size, edit the quantity that you need to make. So my free and pro version, sa free version you can only make up to 100 ml, but sa pro version kahit tonelada pa yan, kaya niya i-compute. Then you can put in your product name, the fragrance name that you want to put there, and then it will already compute for you how much you need for each material. Like in this video, you can also add ingredients that you need for your formulations. So, DPG ba yan, water ba yan, no matter what other ingredients you'd want to put, you can always add it here. You can also adjust the concentration for each ingredient in this calculator. Now on this page, you can adjust the costings, plug in how much you bought a specific ingredient, the size that you bought it for. So let's say bumili ka ng fragrance oil for 3,800 per liter, then you can plug that in there, DPG, water, so kung bumibili ka pa ng tubig, and even your alcohol. So next, of course, aside from the laman, syempre may packaging ka din. So may bote, may label, may box. Kung hindi ka gumagamit ng box, you can actually remove that entry over there. So ganun din, plug mo kung magkano siya per piece. And then you can also add other packaging materials. Of course, dahil Pasko ngayon, maybe meron ka ilalagay na gift tag, meron ka ding ilalagay na ribbons, kung ano-ano pa, meron kang other designs or accessories na ilalagay sa packaging mo. You can also plug it in there and add the cost for each. Ayan, so dito naman tayo sa other costs na hindi natin masyado na pag-iisipan pero kailangan i-incorporate sa cost ng ating products. So isa dito, labor. Next is electricity. The other one is transportation, marketing costs kung magpapa-ads ka, other costs, and cost of money. So yung cost of money, usually, kung umutang ka niyan, diba? Syempre may interest yun. Lagay nyo din dyan yun. And then the final screen would be the total. So maglalagay ka dyan kung magkano gusto mong kitain, and then it will compute for you already how much you need to price your products. You can also do costings for candles, adjust the concentration. You can also put in different waxes that you might be using. Of course, pwede mo din i-adjust yung size ng jar mo. You can also adjust or change the unit of measure. So sa candles, by weight yung timbang or by yung size ng baso na gagamitin nyo, you can choose kung ano yung gagamitin nyo to compute. But usually for candles, it's by weight. So, ayan siya. Pwede mo palitan to grams and then just edit also the number of quantity or the quantity of the items that you need to produce. So, ayan, again, costing for candles. Kung ilan yung ingredients na ilalagay mo, you can add, subtract, whatever. Lalagay nyo, kunyari naghahalo kayo ng mga wax, you can put the type of wax that you are using. You can also edit the names. So, may generic na dyan na nakalagay pre-programmed na yung ingredients. Let's say for candle, of course, you will be having your fragrance oil and your wax. So, kunyari magdadagdag ka ng ibang wax dyan, pwede mo din ilagay. And then, if may isang pangalan dyan, kunyari, naghahalo kayo ng wax, pwede mo palitan yung pangalan para malagay nyo kung anong specific wax siya. In this case, let's say paraffin. Next is, of course, your costing. So, lalagay nyo again, magkano yung cost ng mga wax nyo, ng fragrance oil nyo. The next page, of course, your packaging. So, ganun din, jar, yung label, yung box. And then, of course, meron sa candle making, meron tayong mga wick tab, wick sticker. So, kailangan lahat yon lagay nyo din dyan. Next, of course, labor, electricity, transpo, marketing, other costs, and of course, again, cost of money. So, labor charges, mas matrabaho, gumawa ng kandila, tsaka syempre, kumakain ng mas maraming electricity. So, you have to take that into consideration as well. Ayan, may kita nyo kung anong yung mga ginawa nating product. Pupunta siya dito sa side. It gets saved to a database that you can, again, retrieve after you use it. Or, kunyari, in the future, you can actually search for it again. So ayan, I hope you guys download the Fragrance Calculator by BC Fragrance. Again, it's a very helpful tool. If you are making products just this Christmas or maybe as a business, it will help you do proper costing and of course proper pricing of your products. It's available on Google Play and also on the App Store.